Hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. Thanks for coming. My name is Aida, and today I want to show you my project that it's called Gather. Gather is a job searcher platform, and it's made for UX, UI designers and for developers. But first, let's meet the users. So first we have Elisa. Elisa is a UI designer from Barcelona. She's been working in a company for 3 years now, but she needs to grow. She needs to find another company. But she hasn't got referrals for now, so she's searching in job search engines. And she says, I spend too many hours filling profiles for no answers at all. Most of the time, job searching is a one-way relation from recruiter to the future employee, and it feels so cold and unfair. So the reality of Elisa is that she has to post the profile and experience in each of these platforms, and it's really exhausting for her. Then we have the second user. It's called Joachim. He's from Germany, and he wants to move to Barcelona to start working in a new startup. He says, job searchers are very impersonal. I would like to have something that adapts to my profile very well instead of looking for something specific by myself. So the problem for Joachim is that he doesn't know exactly how works the industry here, and that's why he's searching in job searchers. And there's so many companies where to go to work that he really doesn't know where to start. The third one is Scott. Scott is a tech recruiter, and he knows how tough is it to select the good candidate. And he's saying, developers and designers are a highly demanded profile. You need to be fast hiring and offer candidates good benefits to make them stay. But he also knows that it's not all about the skills. It's also about to find the candidate that fits perfectly in a team. So where to find this candidate? Among others, we have a lot. So it can be just the best one. So after all the research and after all the interviews with users, all the empathy maps I've done in class, the mind maps, the user flows, interviews, surveys, finally I ended with these must-haves that my platform has to have. So it has to be a time saver, it has to be easy to use, precise, friendly, and it has to connect the candidate with the recruiter more closer. So what I want, in fact, is a relation between the candidate and the recruiter as a professional love story. So let's see how it works. First, I made a desktop version for recruitment because it's easier for them to work with a desktop. They are every day working with that. So this is a landing to show what Gather can do for them. Just to show a little bit what are our good points and testimonies about other recruiters, and this would be the sign-in page. And then we have the Gather prototype for candidates, that it's an app to be faster. So let's see. First we have a splash, and then we have a walkthrough where I explain again which are the benefits for the user. Then the user joins, And he can connect with LinkedIn to upload all the information about his or her profile. He can include the links, the locations where he or she wants to work, and the skills. Then here you go to answer some questions. So these questions are about your professional career and experience. And what is good about that is that the recruiter, from his part, it's answering the same questions or related questions about the company or the role. So in this way, the match is perfectly done between the two parts. So now the system is searching for jobs, and now we have the matches. So now we have 3 matches. The user can see the details in each of the match. And if he's interested, he can say, okay, let's save this one. And the same with the mango one. But he also can be not interested at all in the company, so he can delete. And if you don't have more matches, you can go to the saved ones. So in the saved ones, you can, for example, delete one offer that you are not interested anymore. Or now here the user goes to the profile to see if all the CV is correct, if he or she has all the skills applied. And then she found an alert, and this alert says that she has to set an interview. So it's a recruiter that has said, hey, do you want to make the interview? Okay, yes. You select the date. And then here we have a pending application in Stuart. You go to see about the company and the role. And if it's good for you, you can apply. And that's all. Your application is sent. And that's all. Thank you very much.